What is it that sets Interflon lubricants and other products apart from all the others out there? Why can you trust the Interflon products in your stores to do the job time and time again? It's their unique MicPol technology that is present in every can, bottle and tub. It started out when Interflon's founder, when faced with all the issues of traditional lubricants, decided to do things differently. The Mic in MicPol stands for micronization. This is all about the size of the particles in the lubricant, making them small enough that the particles can penetrate into all the pores found on the surface of any material. By getting into these microscopic holes, Interflon's lubricants can form a much better lubricant film than traditional lubricants that just sit on the surface. The advantages of micronization? Significantly less friction between the two surfaces. The reduced friction leads to less energy being required by machinery to overcome friction, less wear, which then leads to lower maintenance costs, extended intervals between applying the lubricant, and all of these benefits add up to reduce the overall carbon dioxide footprint. The pole in MicPol stands for polarization. This process gives all the micronized particles a charge, which bonds them to the surface. This bonding gives a number of advantages that make Interflon's products stand out. It gives a long-lasting lubricating film that better resists high pressures. Longer time between applications reduces the amount of lubricant needed over time, which then reduces waste and other environmental impacts. And, most importantly, better performing lubricants, lowering maintenance costs. The combination of micronization and polarization means Interflon's products perform better in wet environments, can withstand high pressures, and repel dust, dirt and sand. This makes Interflon MicPol technology perfect for use on all parts of the railway.